Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025 Lok Sabha li pass sahira. Special inner line permit trifle Manipur Police na meeting kanilang da verify sahira. FNCC na band sada khalei zomi kala mizoli rinda kasama ning managaji third kami shokli haira instability rakang sak china victims masarek luda hang haira. Leikhayang tor acha Tangkhul Express Pvt ubau Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pami dalei pawing may saina anang rumsa. Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025 aya Lok Sabha na mayami haira. Bill jiwazingli financial year 2025 to 26 wuivang Manipur State with consolidated fund to eina withdraw sakavai maya kamina. Bill ji voice vote eina clear sami haira. Opposition and protest kasawi kon kazar alungli Manipur with administrative functioning wuivang government spending felicitate kasa financial legislation li kangahan maleilak pas sahawa. Bihar electoral rolls revision maramli opposition members pingna protest kasa ngawun rob kahaya lungli bill ji pass salaka house adjourned sahawa. Hangda khalei Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025 hiena Manipur with public services, administrative expenses, welfare schemes kala kan governance wuivang fund shijin kawai kamaya hitharan. Arihon State he Article 356 wazingli centered yang sanghauda annual budget kala appropriation bill ji pass kasa parliament wili khavana. Manipur Appropriation Bill pass sada elected shorkar maleilala state we ot kasali kahap mikhavai financial provision hitharan. Documentation singran makasing foreign national kala non-locals khalei phashok khavai campaign malingmaida special inner line permit ILP trifle Manipur Police na meeting khani shamati apa thrada khani we credentialed verify sahira. ILP Thrive Senapati District Li Kazatna, Yautang Pau Kashokati Shurda, mandatory ILP passes makasing travelers mi shaka hangshini zatsai. Shaka Tumrata Madina expire sagahai permit sing the zatsai. Defaulter saikorali Maugate ILP counter liquivada valid permit quick asaka. Verification Thrive Chetwiga High Haptali Haukapokna. Kalaji Senapati District Police Task Force wuivang kami azingli kazatna Thrive je kamataya transit points National Highway 2 Maram Piran Road Dadubit Dalei Road kala Inter Village Road Kadailila Vapaya. Operation Chili Illegal Immigrants Masampang mana ka state li rajang kawai apam saikorali check satellite police authority na hanga. ILB regulation matada sure kawai special drive che rakara damila maleilak eina zatwara da hanga. Foothills Naga Coordination Committee FNCC na ban sada khalei zomi kala mar lushai mizo communities li rinda kasama ning managachi third kami shokli haira. Naka aina kayakha lengrok ta chingri aina pan ngarumda ragahai zomi maningaka mar lungshai mizoli rinda kasama ning mana. Itungui thotrinjan le corporation leida raya to short aina maramana kala liki CG chiching fiada FNCC na kapishoka. Maram hi WK ZIC and Working Committee Kuki CSOs li Foothill Naka Coordination Committee na rejointer mikashokli kahangna. Ban hi Kuki Expansionist Force matailakina WK ZIC kala Working Committee Kuki CSOs with banner azingli kazang pingwi aggressive unchecked kala calculated action li terek ngahan kagana da hanghaira. Grouping jina provocation leha katar kala political manipulation shongza kwida abam hi wichingri ka highly endangered sawa da FNCC na hanga. National Highway Block sa kankhana water supplies li hub tarakli malungring la kahai shok ngasak laga kakhayak maleilak Manipur State li kachang makada shini kata ransom hai laga Indian Constitution Article 21 Paisin Masabay Mana. Essential Commodities Act 1955 Maram Mahang Pai Managaji FNCC na Hanghaira. grouping jui otsak je economic terrorism li maswidamana gaji hangda ari human rights la civil liberties maramli preach sakawai moral kala legal ground malay manada FNC sina hanghaira apam hili instability rakanga saka china victim masarek luda FNC sina kugi grouping jili hanghaira Working Committee Kuki CSOs na NH2 block saakha la maningaka wat kalami kazadli hab khawai saakha nakaga banpam saikorali kuki kazad khamhaura da FNCC na hangmatin haira NH2 NH37 kala Piren District Nagaland NC Hill Assam rashungda kahap maleng sak paimara kachi hanghaira Provocation in a raka shock Working Committee Kugi CSO na pungra gaji Foothill Naka Coordination Committee na hangsang.
First time in Ukhrul District, Rosella Nursing Institute, Kamphasom Tang, Ukhrul District. Admission open 2025. Are you dreaming of a rewarding career in healthcare? Rosella Nursing Institute invites boys and girls to enroll in our 3-year nursing course. Eligibility, minimum 40% in arts science or NIOS. Get high-quality education and develop excellent healthcare skills with practical training in 1. Foundation of Nursing Lab 2. Nutrition Lab 3. Community Health Nursing Lab 4. Obstetric and Gynecology Lab. Hostel facilities available for both boys and girls, affordable tuition fees, placement assistance after completion. For more details call 813-5844-591, 971722-8141 or visit us at Rosella Nursing Institute, Kamphasom Tang, Ukhrul District. Enroll now for 2025 seats are limited.
Gazipung to Lungshangkong rashungda khamakhaw maher paimara da Lower Humpung Youth Organization Jisha Thairan. Arihon Gazipung to Lungshangkong, Imphal to Ukhrul Shongfung Alemli, Hokati Herkata, Shokahai wuivang Lower Humpung Youth Organization, LHYO na Yarili Chitakami Shoka. LHYO na Jishat Kahaya Tishurda, Gazipung to Lungshangkong rashungda khamakhaw maher paimara, Kala Shongfu, Koreli, Shimui Shigay, Hok Fu Har Hikatata, Gati maher paimara Jihaira. Imaram Tarda Haisa, Ajay Array Taida Oktuisa Kaji Youth Organization Jina Kasathaira. Hanga Hai Jili Maheng Sangla Saaka Organization Jina Per Kangayi, Shongran Barada Hang Matin Haira. Tangkhul Shinawakali physical kala sexual abuse shokhawada kahang maramli parung gatam naulong kala parung shinawlong na makamya pong shokhaira. Itumna Taibai Tangkhul Shinawaka nganui laka Nagalandli Shimkur Taisawili Vagapamli physical kala sexual abuse shokhawa the hang. Maram hiwe contamination Tangkhul woman hoho Nagaland nala ajahon tang mishoka. Pauji Shinaw Bavajina social media platform li Pong kashok eina taikhui poka. Maram hili mikzang mida otshot or otsak chili makamya kala condemn kasa parung katam naulong kala parung shinaw long na kapishoka. Ill manner kala sentimental harassment chili panglak eina condemn saya kaji pong kashok eina ngasoda taklak eina ayin wethishurda exemplary punishment mikhavai concerned law holder li ngakawhaira. Victim kala shim kurli sympathy pong kashok ay nga soda mashun wuivang kangadarli katomtheilak gaji parung katam naulong kala parung shinaulong na pong shoka. Condemnation GTG parung wi katam naulong ina shinaulong na ngarum tami shoka. Election Commission of India eina Shailesh Kumar Chaurasya IAS Manipur with Chief Electoral Officer CEO sada kapang sanghaira. Appointment je tarik trada Thuruk Election Commission of India with Secretariat na notification mia. Chaurasya na charge ngalangda kuihaura kala jizi kami katar mararang na kaina tangda office je kuivara. CEO Otingrut kuipo kahai tharan Chaurasya na Manipur Sarkar ajingli charge la assignment kate makuimara da hanga. Ana Chief Electoral Officer kala atamli additional responsible Kika Makuimara. State Secretariat Election Department with Secretary to the Government in Charge Mang Kuipaira Gaji Hanghaira. Northeast Apamui in a Civil Service League Gazang Jungme Shok Sakavai Northeast Students Organization NEOS Ona Kangaran Maram Chitehaira. Maram hi NESO executive meeting achon tarik thruk thang All Assam Student Union AASU headquarter Guwahati kapamni hangasangna. Civil Services Lead Northeast Miping representations teolak ina khalei chi address sada selected aspirants pingli coaching ngaran khamina. Hangta khalei chi Northeast State we aspirants pingli kapang khuilaka athumli Delhi UPSC coaching queen ngasaki kachina. Coaching GP tarik akhawi na hapokra da hanga. Rida chishat haira kasat hishuta Northeast Students Organization na kum kachita Northeast Indigenous Communities we aspirant rada througli UPSC coaching sponsor samira da hanga. Jithada All Assam Students Union na UPSC aspirants hangmatiri sponsor sakhami pradyasha kaho program khwigadale. Kalaji Asamui mi mugada truk Northeastern States kadewi na trada matili katom mira da hanga. UPSC prelims makan gakhui candidates magada pangalila main coaching wuivang katom mira da hanga. Atumi application makhu gachang ina hawpok da pili coaching hawpok lushit ki gachina. Indigenous communities with demographic integrity kala political machine mikhavai northeastern apamli illegal migrants kale thaklak ina phashok da deport sa khawai kapo Northeast Students Organization NESO na kathong lushit haira. NESO we executive meeting achahon trek thruk thang All Assam Student Union AASU headquarter Guwahati lipama. Constituent states jushatwe mingnin ping kasip chili wazangda migration check Makasa we eina demographic imbalance shock the claim maram ngasan hairachi. Maram hi mayang sang mila vahayaka Northeast we ethnic compositionally mahan kapai sakashira shokra the NESO na hang matin haira. Undocumented migrants machut khuilaga deport kasai na hapok the kajanga phaikar khui mikhavai union shokarli pohaira. Kala Northeastern apam saikorali National Register of Citizens NRC haikavai boda uniform NRC himang hiena rujumnaw makhaning khui kashok mapung phada sarara kachi hanga. Makanung makanwa sap kapai na illegal rakazangli ngachona da Northeast State pinglit leiret ngawai kaphin kup mikhavai NESO na boya. Manipur to shot makupsang lakhale maram di NESO la centerly makamya pongshokta jingring sa khawai kathaka political intervention pohaira mobilization strategy sada NESO na kachang hiwi tarik trada chishathang state capital bingli sit-in protest pamradale NESO na kapo maram memoranda center shokarli misangra dahanga kaboji illegal immigrants deport kasa kala NRC kahai hi zanga Memoranda ji Prime Minister, Union Home Minister kala state kathana pingli misangra dahanga. Ladluida ajewi kamataya pauping. Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025 Lok Sabha pass sahira. Special inner line permit rifle Manipur Police na meeting kanilang da verify sahira. FNCC na band sada kaleji zomi kala mizoli rinda kasamaning managaji third kami shokli haira instability rakang sak china victims masarek luda hang haira aje we baw hiling chang haira baw ngana da khaina tum saikorali ringyaophi kala khamai zimik shong sa sermi